A questionnaire is a list of questions relating to the field of inquiry and provides space for answers. It may be defined as an instrument for collecting primary data from a large number of persons. However, while preparing a questionnaire, some of the important following points should be kept in mind. And if a questionnaire possesses these characteristics, then we say that it is a good questionnaire. So, the following points should be included in a good questionnaire. Number 1, covering letter. The person conducting the survey must introduce himself and make the aims and objectives of the survey very clear to the informants. This can be done by attaching a cover letter with the questionnaire. So, a very important part is having a cover letter which will make the informant understand that what it is actually about. Number 2, questions should be simple and clearly worded. The question should not be in a complex manner, rather it will be a very short, simple and clearly worded. Number 3, the number of questions should be small as far as possible. So, if a questionnaire is very long, nobody is going to answer that. So, the questionnaire should be always kept compact and small in size. Number 4, questionnaire should be properly arranged. The questions must be in a proper and logical manner. If needed, it may be divided into groups and subgroups. Number 5, personal questions should be avoided. Any kind of personal question always should be avoided in case of a questionnaire. Number 6, questionnaire should be directly related only to the specific investigation in hand and nothing extra. Number 7, yes or no question. So it is better to pose such questions whose answer will be in the format of yes and no, because no difficulty is there in answering them. Number 8, prohibited questions should not be asked. Any kind of personal prohibited question should not be asked in case of a questionnaire. Number 9, questions which require calculations should also be avoided. Any mathematical calculation type of question should always be avoided in case of a questionnaire. Number 10, cross-checks. Always cross-check the questions to find out whether the proper question set are being given. Number 11, footnotes. If a particular question is of complex nature, then it should be made clear in footnote. What is a footnote? Footnote is in the end of the page which helps us with the instructions. Number 12, instructions to the informants. So, proper information and instruction should be given in the form so that the informant is easy to understand and properly answers. 13, incentive to the informants. Some kind of incentive should also be given to the informants for answering the questions. Number 4, pre-testing the questionnaire. So before sending the questionnaire to mass public, it must be tested within a small group of people, so that if there is any kind of problem while answering, it can be removed. Number 15, unit of measurement. The unit of measurement in which information is to be supplied must be included. So these are the 15 important points which should be kept in mind in case of preparing a questionnaire. And also the model of a questionnaire, or we can say the example of a questionnaire, is given in the picture.